Welcome to the video WAGO Lighting Management Basics. I want to show you the basic function of the application WAGO Lighting Management. At first we want to look to the hardware. We have here the application controller, a DALI multi-master module where the lamps are connected, and a serial interface module. Here we have the in-ocean antenna. Here we see the big room. I called this room production with 4 standard DALI lamps, and on the left side on the top we have our wireless push button with an ocean technology. I will use this push button to switch and dim the lamp. Okay, let's go to the application. At first I type in my IP address and the address line of my browser. Please use HTTPS. The HTTP port is deactivated for security reasons. At first I have to log in with my username admin and the password is WAGO. The application starts in the tab function. Let's start with file. Here you can find editing labels. Here you can define names for the virtual room. I have configured a name production for the first room. So I continue with inputs. Here you can find the in-ocean buttons, the push buttons. At first I have to teach in my in-ocean push button. I activate the teach in auto, make a double click on my push button, and you see the push button is directly detected. I stop the teach in mode, and now I can configure or assign this in-ocean push button to the right virtual room production. The button type, button up and down, is right and can be used for switching and dimming. Then let's continue with outputs. Here you can find our 4 DALI lamps. I have addressed the lamps before by clicking on start and typed in a few names, but now I have to assign these 4 lamps to the virtual room production. At the end I have to click on set groups. I get the message, and in a few seconds the settings are saved in the SCGs. Okay, now I want to continue with function. Here is my first room production. The first function is switching. So with a short press on, the light is on, and a short press on off, the light is off. Now I can change the function from switching to dimming. And now I can dim the lamp. A short press on will switch on the lamp, and with a long press on I can dim up the lamp and dim down with a long press on off, and I can switch off the lamp with a short press on off. So if you have any questions according to the configuration here, you can click on this question mark here on the top, and you see my browser blocks pop-ups, but I can allow the pop-up, and you see the manual is opened in the right language and on the right page. Okay, at the end I want to save all my settings here in the application, therefore I have to click on this save button. You see now the color changed to green.